Hey guys, I'm just letting you guys know that we're probably not gonna have class tonight because I'm sick. I actually got tested for COVID this morning at 10, and as you can see, I'm pretty stuffed up and everything. So I'm not sure. I'm not gonna be able to have class tonight. I don't want to expose you guys to anything. So their brochures are due today, so just make sure you get those in the assignment area. The brochure project right here. Looks like we have one in here so far. So just try to get those in there. It's a zip file that I wanted from you guys. And then the content area this week, I am going to start having you guys follow along to making a booklet here pretty soon. But just read chapter 5. Let's see, what is today? Yeah, read chapter 5 and then take the quiz by Sunday this week. So November 23rd through the 29th. And then next week, read chapter 6 and take the quiz. And then this week I don't have anything. The last week I don't have anything in there. But you may be working on the booklet walkthrough. I'm going to try to release these videos as soon as I get them all done. I'll probably populate week 13 and 14 with those. And then you'll have week 15, to get those done. I think week 15 only goes till the last day of class, like the last day is like maybe the 8th or something. So this isn't even like a full week. I'm not sure. Anyway, just keep checking back in here. I'll be making announcements throughout the weeks here. So yeah, just keep checking back. Just try to get your brochure zip file in as soon as you can, and take those quizzes that are coming up, chapter 5 and chapter 6. So yeah, anyway, we'll talk to you soon.